Hey guys, welcome back to Growing with Lizzie. Guys, I need to get back on track, and I'm pretty sure some of you guys as well. So let's get back on track with a nice smoothie. We have a cup of mixed berries, a half a banana, a whole lemon, and spirulina, and that is packed with protein, 6 grams of protein and a lot of other nutritions. We have silk milk, a cup or more. We have chia seeds and flax seeds. So guys, let's get going. Okay guys, so look at me. I have my magic bullet. You guys can get that at Amazon. I'm gonna put the link down in the description box. This is a cup. Over here, some berries. You see all our ingredients that we said a while ago. So let's get this thing going. This is all the stuff you'll need. Okay. Alrighty, let's get this going. First, I'm gonna put the berries in there. Put them nice and just let them all in there. Mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, all the works, raspberries, you name it. Alrighty, let's get our half a banana. Got a little mess over here. Bring this over here. Alright, let's put the bananas in there. That's a half a banana. Alright, let's squeeze the lemon over here. Get this. Squeeze it right there. See all that lemon goodness and a lot of nutritions in the lemon. It's a fat burner, and we know that as well. I like to put it in my water. Well, some lime, lemon, it doesn't matter. I like to put it in my water so I can burn some fat. Alright guys, let's get the good part. Let's pour some of that silk milk down the hatch. Alrighty, let's get some of that spirulina, guys. I like to get a nice size spoon and sprinkle that in there. Get some good protein for our smoothie. I got the flax seeds, as you can see. You can pick them up at Walmart. And yeah, so here you go. Let's sprinkle a little bit on there. Make sure we get all that goodness. And then we have ourselves some chia seeds. Chia seeds are very good. Flax seeds are good for your body. So we want to get just a little bit, not too much. And here we go. Voila. We are got all that goodness together. Let's get going. So guys, as you can see right here, I love this. It looks good, but I just wanted to add a little bit more almond milk, just a little bit more. You know, get enough of that good smoothie, and just a little bit, guys. So we're gonna put the top back on, and here we go, guys. Let's get it again. Mix it around in that magic bullet. That magic bullet is amazing, guys. You have to go check it out. You have to get yourself one, because this is really good and really powerful. Here we go, guys. A nice green packed nutritious smoothie to get us right back on our track. So remember, guys, subscribe for more.